Hello, everybody. Welcome to PropTech Startup Buyouts and Litigation. This is a very personal class to me. You might have seen me teach other classes with Lawline and some other providers on issues like discrimination, which is a big topic that I litigate, or commercial litigation, which is a big topic that I litigate. But my side hobby is that I love startups, and I've been doing startups since I was in high school. And I thought it was due time to teach everyone about the convergence between law and startups and how these things all merge together. So today we have PropTech startups, buyouts and litigation. And I'm going to be honest with you, it doesn't have to be limited to PropTech. I think the same issues emerge. But what's unique about PropTech is with property technology, you have a lot of people that are tech people that I find don't really give the same credence or honor or respect to the legal system as we would like them to do, as a stereotype, a generalization, which is an ironic thing for someone who does a lot of discrimination litigation and commercial litigation to say. But I find that they skirt a lot of the legal stuff, and they're always trying to move the needle, push it forward. And as lawyers, we know what happens when those things happen. We got to put the brakes on. But what's interesting is that traditionally, property law is one of the most boring, slowest fields of law. We remember Whiteacre and Blackacre from law school and how we had all different recording statutes emerge. And the convergence of prop and tech is perhaps the most interesting for me. As background, my name is Andrew Lieb. I'm the managing partner of a law firm called Lieb at Law. You just go to liebatlaw.com. We represent many of the biggest national real estate brokerage firms. And we also do represent some title insurance companies and a lot of medium and small and other types of companies around particularly the tri-state area, New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut, but we have cases going on in all sorts of states. We actually are trying to do a pro hoc vice right now in Illinois. We'll see how that one works out. But we've been doing all these types of things for a long time. Like I said, you could look me up. I've done a lot of these other types of cases, but it's always been my passion to be in a startup. I love startups. That's what I really like to do. My great-grandfather was an attorney. And in my family, you have to become an attorney. I remember when I was like 5 years old, my father would tell me, you're going to be a lawyer, you're going to be a lawyer, you're going to be a lawyer, you're going to be a lawyer. So I became a lawyer. What are you going to do? But for me, a lawyer, I'll tell you how my father got me to become a lawyer. It's an interesting story. It goes with this. I didn't want to be a